today I wanted to chat about one of my favorite Figma plugins. It's a plugin that I use regularly, sometimes multiple times during the day, and that is called Component Replacer. So definitely search for it in Figma under plugins and download it and give it a try. I'll be doing a little demo to show you how I use Component Replacer. I'll also be chatting about the difference between this plugin and the built-in Figma swap instances feature. So personally, I use Component Replacer to save me time. So I use it after I'm done exploring different styles. Sometimes you're in the flow and you don't really want to stop and think about the UI kit and the design system. So this is a great resource to have to, once you have decided on styles, to turn everything into components and think about that design system. So here is a demo that I will do. You can use a component replacer on like buttons and icons and navigations and headers, but today I'll just be showing you how I use it with buttons. So let's say I have designed these 4 button types. They have different wording and some of them are rounded, some of them have uppercase text, some of them are small. But I'm going to choose this first style. So I will create a parent component and name it. Then I'm going to start my UI kit. I'll duplicate this button and move the parent button to the UI kit. Bingo. So now I have a component here on the first one, and let's say I want to quickly turn all the other buttons into that same component. So I'll select those buttons, right click, select plugins, select component replacer. If there's lots of different components, I'm going to search for it. There it is. And immediately all the buttons change, the size, the text, everything. Great. Looks good. So essentially, Component Placer is great for turning non-components into components so easily. Cool. So let's check out swap instances and when you would use this. So let's bring my UI kit. Say if I come up with a few different other styles with different text. Now that these are components, child components, I can go to the right panel here and under buttons, because I've named them all button and then primary or light or the different names, I can easily interchange them here on the right. And even as you can see, the size gets changed. So yes, swap instances will be used when you have already created those components and you just want to interchange them, whereas component replacer is used when you don't have those components yet and you want to quickly make the different elements into created components. Great, and that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, let me know if there's other plugins you want me to review or show you how I personally use them. Yeah, please like the video and subscribe if you want to follow along. Cheers.